Wish I could be the one who could give you love, the kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you, ba't di mo pabigyan ang pag-ibig ko? Ito'y laging, ay mali. Ba't di Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Tonight I'm falling and I can't get up. I need your loving hands to come and pick me up. And every night I miss you, I just can't grow up. Tonight I'm holding and holding you tonight. Do you remember when I said I'd always be there? Since we were 10, babe, two old friends meet again. Their laundry faces talk about the places they've been. Maybe this time it will be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels alright. Even though it seems I had everything, I don't wanna be a lonely fool. All of the expensive cars, all of the nan. It doesn't now amount on you. And even though it seems I had everything,
Chop, 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 chop.
I've known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. Baby, is this all we'll ever be? I love you then and I love you still. You're a friend of mine. I know that this wound will lead again. Now I'm here, right beside the one I love. I see. I don't know what to do. There's no easy way of letting go, and I know there's no sense. I've known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. But babe, is this all we'll ever be? I love you then and I love you still. You're a friend of mine.